For the last months, I've tried more than 40 AI website builders, but which ones are actually worth trying? In this video, I will share 5 really new and solid AI website builders. I will show you how each of them works, what features they offer, their pricing and much more. So let's get started. The first AI website builder in our list is called Looply.com. To be honest, I've never heard about this one before and I don't even know how to pronounce it right. Looply or Loople. But when I tested it, I was really impressed, and let me show you why it's solid AI website builder you should definitely check out. First, we choose text to website here. Then we are asking AI to build a car detailing website with dark backgrounds, a section with service we provide, a section with the reviews from heavy customers, and a contact form. We will stick with English for the website language and go with a dark theme for style. For now, I just want to generate the homepage. And then I click on the generate button and wait for the AI to build our website. After a few seconds, here is our website. And honestly, it's not looking too bad, right? I really like this dark theme, but if something doesn't feel right, it's super easy to change here. You can tweak everything yourself or let the AI help. And I will try the AI help. I click the edit with the AI assistant button, and since we did that on the hero banner section, the AI now lets us edit everything specifically within that area. So I'm asking AI to add another button next to our main one, contact us, waiting a few seconds, and here it is. Again, if I want to change the testimonial cards, for example, I just ask the AI to update the customer testimonials and make them smaller in a single row. A few seconds waiting, and here is the result. If you want to add a section, you can check out the ready-to-use templates, there are plenty to choose from. And once you add a new section, you can easily improve it with AI. Keep in mind that the free version lets you create only one website with up to 3 pages. You also get 100 AI credits per month, which is about 10 AI edits like the ones we did a few minutes ago. Again, this video isn't a step-by-step guide on how to build a beautiful website. My goal is just to show you that this Looply AI website builder exists, and I will leave the rest for you to explore. Alright, the next really amazing AI app called Unicorn Platform. You can see it got badges from Product Hunt, which is pretty promising. The founders say you can build websites with no design or coding experience. You can create SaaS, apps, blogs or personal websites. So let's check it out. After you sign up, you will be asked to choose a template first. I will go with this one. After that, I ask the AI to create a website for real estate property listings, since we already picked a template with that name. Speeding up the process a bit, and here is our website. And it's look pretty good, right? AI can also help you improve every element on your page. Let's say I want to add another link to my header navigation, so I ask the AI to add a link called partnerships. After waiting a few seconds, here it is. And I can keep enhancing it, changing the layout, images, backgrounds and any element here. This AI website builder is super scalable with tons of ready-to-use templates and section components you can work with. Alright guys, it's time to move forward, and our next AI website builder is called ZipWP. This one is specifically focused on WordPress websites, so if you worked with WordPress before, it's definitely be helpful. The link to ZipWP is down below, and let's dive in to see how you can build a website with it. So after you sign up, just click the create new button, choose complete website, and you will see this form right here. My new website is going to be called Tasty. It's a name for my bakery. I'm choosing local business, and in the next steps I'm sharing this prompt with our AI. I've just included a few key details here, nothing special. Then I will skip this step with providing our business contact information, and the next step is about choosing images we want to have on our website. You can see all the images here are stock photos, which is pretty cool. I want to pick this one, and this one. But it doesn't really matter now, since you can change them anytime later. In the next step, you will see how AI generated 4 previews of our future design. And honestly, they all look solid, but I'm going to choose this one. For me, it's looking super clean, and big props to ZipWP. They really nailed it with this AI generated design. Next, in our preview mode, you can change fonts, color palettes, but we will not focus on this right now. I just want to start building our website. And in the last step, you will be asked to add features. I'm not changing anything here. And then we just wait for the AI to build our website. And after just a few seconds, you can see it looks more than good. It's actually amazing. Sure, some images don't quite match our descriptions here, but we can easily change them using WordPress customization here. Also worth mentioning, ZipWP has a Chrome extension that lets you build a full website with AI right from the extension. And that's a really cool feature I've never seen before. Like I said, if you worked with WordPress before, it will definitely make building a website from scratch a lot easier. But if you haven't, don't worry, everything here is super user-friendly, with plenty of step-by-step guides and videos to help you figure out what to do next. As I mentioned, the link to ZipWP is down below. And now let's jump to our next AI website builder. And the next one in our list is called Wheezy.co. This one is also super solid. I mentioned this in my videos before, so I can recommend it to you because it's super simple and really affordable for everyone. Here you can see Wheezy features, built-in analytics, dark mode, beautiful themes, and bunch of fonts and icons and other really cool features. So let's check out how it works. The first thing we need to do is to choose category. I'm building a coaching website called Best Coach where I will help creators grow their YouTube channels by teaching them. And now I'm just copying and pasting this prompt I wrote before, choosing this theme and waiting for the AI to build our website. Again, a few seconds and here it is. You can see the images don't really match our business, so let's quickly swap out the images to better fit our content. And now you can see it's looking much better. Again, you can change almost everything here, every section, every letter, every color, and every button. Like I always say, the more AI website builders you know, the more options you have to choose from. Alright guys, and our fifth AI website builder today is called Webador. I'm sure you've heard of it before, but it was new to me. Webador has plenty of good reviews and now it's AI powered. So let's quickly build a simple website with it. It's going to be a barbershop called Be Handsome. Yeah, I'm not the most creative when it comes to names, sorry about that. Next I'm picking this one, and that one. Just a few more steps to go, let me speed things up a bit. And here are our websites. And you know what? They look pretty basic at first, but let's check out the final result. Waiting a few seconds and here it is. I don't even know what adjective to use. It's simple and nothing fancy. But honestly, simple websites with real value and clear messaging can attract more users than flashy ones that don't offer much. Again, you can change all the content here. Sections, layout, colors, fonts. These are basic things every AI website builder has. All the text can be generated with AI, so you are saving a ton of time. No need to bounce between ChatGPT and Webador. And that's really cool. Again, just to make sure we are on the same page. This video isn't a step-by-step guide on how to build a beautiful website. It's more about showing you that today's AI website builders are solid options. And you can use any of them to create a site with just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a video about AI tools that will save you a lot of time.